Welcome to Investment Dojo and congrats. Let's go over the homepage, starting from the bottom tabs from left to right. The first tab is the Home button, which brings you back to the homepage. The homepage contains the latest news and the game navigation tabs, such as the Stock tab, which lists the daily most actively traded stocks. The Menu tab allows you to access the games you've created and joined under the My Games tab. Check your messages via the Notification tab. Check your daily game rankings, as well as see all your stock and crypto positions across the entire platform from every game you are actively playing. The Chat tab allows you to access the direct messages between individual players, and last is the Account or Profile tab, where you can access your friends list and buy Dojo coins to compete in cash games for real cash prizes. Now, at the top of the homepage are the tabs for game creation. The red stock and pink crypto tab allows you to join and create games and play with family, friends, and perfect strangers. The green cash game tab allows you to join cash games and compete for real money. The cash games are admin created only. To play, simply purchase Dojo coins on your profile or account page. We will be introducing cash games in the first quarter of 2025.